I-6 phone.
It's like that and it's like this. I took her to the pad and we started to kiss. Now my dick's on hard, you know what I'm thinking. Took the panties off and the pussy was stinking. Pulled off my drawers and I started to begin. Now the pussy's wet so my dick slides in. Oh, hottie, 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 you ho. Riding on this block and I'm pumping kinda slow. So B-5-4, fuck bump. She's scratching on my back, oh here she comes. Now I gotta get a nut, gotta get a nut, gotta get it quick, you know, because I love this shit so. Give me that. Back to the fucking basics. You got yours and mine, I want you to taste it. Open wide and no, don't you waste it. Oh shit, all over your face, kid. You know one thing. You know me, I like to slang that dick, you know what. So roll over, girl, while I stick it in ya. But I'll turn it out while I'm riding that ass, scream and shout. My name is the same, just another pussy that I had to tame. So get off. Spring!